The Internet. The Internet is a global system that connects billions of devices so they can share information instantly. It is not one giant machine, but a network of networks working together across the world. Every time you open a website, send a message, or stream a video, your device is talking to another device somewhere else on the planet. It feels instant, but a lot happens behind the scenes in seconds. If the internet were a physical place, it would be the busiest transport system ever built, running all day and night without a break, which explains how your late night scrolling somehow always works perfectly. Internet Service Provider. An Internet Service Provider, or ISP, is the company that connects your home or phone to the internet. Without an ISP, your device would be like a car parked with no road outside. The ISP uses fiber cables, broadband lines, or mobile networks to link you to the wider web. Every request you send online first passes through your ISP before traveling across the world. Most people do not think about their ISP until the internet stops working, which is usually the exact moment the entire household suddenly becomes very interested in the router. IP address. An IP address is a unique number given to every device connected to the internet. It works like a digital home address, so data knows exactly where to go. When you visit a website, your device sends a request with your IP address attached so the response can find its way back. Without IP addresses, the internet would be like sending thousands of letters with no addresses written on them. With billions of devices online today, a newer system called IPv6 was created to provide far more addresses because the internet clearly did not expect quite this many guests to show up. Domain Name System. The Domain Name System, or DNS, translates website names into the numerical IP addresses computers understand. Humans prefer names like websites, but computers prefer numbers. DNS works like the internet's phone book, quickly matching names to the right addresses. When you type a website name, your device asks a DNS server to find the matching IP address in milliseconds. Without DNS, using the internet would feel like memorizing phone numbers for every single website, which most people would give up on within minutes. Servers are powerful computers that store and deliver websites, apps, and online data. When you visit a website, your device sends a request asking a server for the content needed to display the page. The server then sends that data back so it appears in your browser. Servers run constantly, handling millions of requests every second. Large companies operate massive data centers filled with thousands of servers working together. They quietly power the online world, even though most people only notice them when a page refuses to load and refreshing suddenly becomes the main strategy. HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP and HTTPS are the communication rules that allow browsers and servers to talk to each other. HTTP sends data across the internet, while HTTPS adds encryption to keep that data secure. The small padlock icon in your browser means your connection is protected and your information is scrambled so others cannot read it. This is especially important when entering passwords or payment details online. Without encryption, sharing personal information would be far riskier than most people would be comfortable with. Data packets. Data packets are tiny pieces of information that travel across the internet to deliver content quickly and reliably. Instead of sending large files all at once, the internet breaks them into small packets that travel separately and reassemble at the destination. Each packet can take the fastest route available, which keeps the system efficient even during heavy traffic. When the packets arrive, your device rebuilds them into the original file so smoothly that you never notice the journey they just took. Routers. Routers direct internet traffic between networks and devices. At home, your router connects your devices to the internet and decides where incoming and outgoing data should go. It works like a traffic controller, making sure the right information reaches the right device. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi allows devices to connect to the internet wirelessly using radio signals instead of cables. This makes it possible for phones, laptops, and smart devices to stay connected throughout a home or office. Wi-Fi has become such a normal part of life that even a short interruption can feel surprisingly disruptive. Despite being invisible, it plays a huge role in modern life by making internet access convenient